Hi, today we are going to understand copying number ranges every financial year. So basically what happens is business asks us to actually create new financial number ranges every year as per the company code. So what I mean by this is if I go into transaction FP and 1, then you can see here we have a company code which is 1110. Now, if I go into this, you can see that every year is ending with 999. So we don't really have to put a new number range every financial year. But some of the businesses require to have a new number range every year. So I can pick up, for example, a company code 1910. So if you pick in 1910, then you can see here that since 2015 till 2022, they have a new number range every financial year. So now we are coming up into the financial year 2023. So they, not the year, I mean the financial year, of course, don't get confused. So we will provide a new number range as per the document object number range for this new accounting documents. So what we can do is I can show you what this 01 means here as well. So if I go into transaction OBA7, you can see in asset posting, every time I post a journal in asset posting, it will pick up the number range 01, which is same as what we have here, 01. So all the documents which will be in asset accounting will use here. As you can see, since 2018, nothing was used, but you will see in 2022, they were the last NR status of this journal in asset accounting is 3998. So if I create a new one, the NR status will set and a new number range will be provided. To do that, there's a shortcut OBH2. Otherwise, if you do it here, then every time you have to go into change mode. Then every time you have to literally add and add a new financial year into this. So you have to basically do like plus here, then you can just go up. And then what you have to do is you have to do 00, 2023, of course, and then I can copy this number range and this thing number range, ending number range too. And I can just do, is just saying it is not going, it's not transportable, that's fine. And now if I hide this, then you can see I have added 2023. But we have what? Around 90 lines or even more than 90 lines for every company code, and you have to do this in quality as well. This is production and you have to do this in quality as well. So it is not, you will be end up days doing this. So we have a shortcut way of doing this by using transaction OBH2. In OBH2, what you do is just to have a control here, I will pick, I'll go right on the top, and then I will start from 01 because 00 is already done. Actually, I will put 00 as well, and you can see it will give you an error as well. And then you can go into 00 to Z1. So what I mean here is, if I go into this transaction, and let me just check if I'm in the right company code is 1910, and you can see in 1910 we have 00 here for 2023, but nothing for 01. Okay, so we have 2023 here for 00, which we just added manually, but we didn't add anything for 01, but business wanted for 2023 just like that. So I can go into OVH2, And then what I can do is I can do 1910, which is the company code we want. And then you can add here 00, which is starting number range, till Z1. Just don't straight away do for all company codes. You just select one by one and do it. I will strongly recommend to do it one by one. Otherwise, you will not be able to get, if anything goes wrong, you cannot go into your previous steps. So now I'm copying from 2022 to 2023. So everything, what I'm expecting here is, so 2022 to 2023. Why? Because see, in 00, it is starting with 00. And this is copied. But in 2022, you see here, it is starting with 01. So we have given it by 01. If I go into 02, you will see here 02. Okay. And then in 03, you can see here as 03. Okay. So we will check this as well that it has been done correctly. And I simply execute this. It is asking me to confirm yes. Because I have done manually for 00, it is showing that interval already exists. So it will not, of course, not overwrite anything, but it is showing it is already there. So that's not going to happen. But rest of the ranges have been done till Z1. So I can quickly check this now. So I can have to go back and kind of refresh this. And then you will see here, this is what we did manually. So I'm expecting here that 2023 will appear as well. So you can see 2023 appeared, which is same as this. And our status is 0. So it is completely fresh. And you can see in T2 as well, same thing. And then I can quickly go to 90. You can see here, this is as well done. And then I can see Z1 as well, just to make sure. So Z1 is used, and you can see here this one is 0. So you can see everything is copied, and you can see that you also have a vendor invoices, vendor payments here. So if I check vendor invoice here, document, it has 19. So if I go into 19 now, so this 19 number range is assigned to our vendor invoices in document types. Same as purchase orders, when you do the purchase order, you assign the number range. In the same way in finance, so this is purely finance number ranges, you can do this as well. So it's a shortcut method. Thank you.